Got nothing on track 8. That's the classic dodgy switch, probably. Oh. I'll put 1. That's probably a dodgy switch there.
It was dodgy when we were down at Air.
I think it was, yeah, and I think that feed is fed from the sync card, so it might be a sync card issue. They're quite low levels those, but I'm okay with that. They obviously like driving the tapes hard. But at least we've got a signal on them all. That's a good start. Do you want me to put a bit of extra light up on there so you can see what you're doing?
Oh, I can see.
Okay. I mean, that clicking is actually on the other roller.